Alex Schroeder here, ESM Technology, your BigFix subject matter experts. Today, I'm going to talk about the strengths of BigFix versus some others, and definitely to assure you how you and your company chose well. So let's start with what should an endpoint management or a UEM or a unified endpoint management tool have? So, first and foremost, it must be able to detect and catalog devices, workstations, servers on the cloud, on prem, IoTs, ATMs, kiosks, or even POSs, as well as all the software that goes with it. That should include as well maybe printers, even, as long as it's inside the IP address that you are looking at. Definitely, it must do updates across operating systems. It should be able to create and deploy security configurations across endpoints and across operating systems. It should provide checklists or templates to meet regulations like HIPAA, PCI DSS, GDPR, as well as, comply with CIS, DoD, NIST, or any kind of compliance that your company standards must adhere to. Definitely, you should be able to troubleshoot, to update, to power off and on machines, as well as uninstall unapproved applications, or even separate the machine or the endpoint from the network from anywhere, remotely, that is. And lastly, it should be able to, at least by today, use machine learning to spot unusual activity on the endpoints and definitely automate rapid remediation, all of which you all know BigFix and some tools can do, though not all. Let's start with one obvious reason why your company chose well with BigFix, and that's because it is a leader of the Gartner Magic Quadrant in 2026. And it has been a leader in the quadrant for the past 11 years. So it's had a pretty good history of being right here, okay? HCL Software. Couple more reasons why you chose well is, again, we're talking about one agent and one console that's supporting more than 120 different operating systems. So we can talk about Windows, Linux, Ubuntu, AIX, Unix, iOS, Android, and many others. Everyone else says they do, except some vendors will probably need Intune, Azure, and a couple of other consoles to put everything together. Here's where groupings and some flexibility becomes a little bit difficult. Definitely, there must be a discovery and cataloging of all hardware and all software. As you know, the BigFix agent reports back every 15 minutes, so it's near real time, whereas some other people may take, some delayed device discovery. Another thing is BigFix, and another reason why you have the most powerful tools in the world is because it does have a 98% first pass success rate on the patching side. Big fixers are used to being notified that an update was sent and installed, and not everyone does that consistently, sometimes having to check on the hosts manually, right? Another good reason is the compliance checklists and the remediations. This is out of the box, using the same console and the same agent, very reliable, unlike others where the architecture of their solution can make this feature a little bit clunky. So, same agent, same console, multi-function, multi-OS, definitely, and I'm sure you know all about that, but the good thing about it is BigFix today has added some license monitoring for SaaS services. Things like services such as DocuSign, PeopleSoft, Notion, Slack, QuickBooks, Xero, other SaaS tools, you may now be able to using a BigFix add-on. Definitely, it's still BigFix. You'll be able to do user analysis on all these SaaS services. Definitely, there's a no-code, low-code intelligent orchestration and automation piece that comes with BigFix, as well as the runbook automation tool. So, do you agree or disagree? I hope you do, but you know what? Drop your comments below, and we look forward to seeing you again. Bye.